And I want you again to look over the yellows. And we're going to count how many times up here we see the word yellow. When we come to it, we're going to say the word yellow and then count. All right, here we go. We're not reading it yet here. Yellow, 1. Yellow, 2. Yellow, 3. Yellow, 4. Here it is with the capital letter, the uppercase letter. Yellow, 5. Yellow, 6. Wow, there's a lot of them. Yellow, 7. Yellow, 8. Yellow, 9. Yellow, 10. Yellow, 11. I think we had a lot of yellows on this one. You shouldn't have any trouble reading this with me because there's so many words that are going to say yellow, 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 yellow. All right?